Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Tech. After the Windows update on 13 January 2026, many users have reported classic Outlook freezing or hanging, particularly with pop accounts using local PST files. Microsoft has acknowledged the issue and marked it as under investigation, and no permanent or universal fix has been released so far. Problem faced by users: Outlook is stuck on loading profile, Outlook is freezing or not responding, Outlook not closing properly, or loss of access to emails stored in PST files. What's being discussed by experts and forums? ScanPST works only for minor corruption and often fails in update-related PST issues. Since it runs on the original PST file, it may modify data and risk permanent loss. Experts recommend always backing up the PST file first. Uninstalling this update is considered risky as it removes security patches and is not recommended for business environments. Creating a new Outlook profile alone may help Outlook start but doesn't fix PST corruption. A healthy or recovered PST is required. What is in practice the solution? In multiple affected cases, users will gain access by recovering a PST file first and then creating a new Outlook profile, avoiding the need to roll back Windows updates. Rolling back updates introduce security vulnerabilities and in many cases does not fully resolve the issue. After this update, many hundreds of affected users have approached Stellar Repair for assistance. In multiple cases, Stellar Repair for Outlook has helped recover affected PST data and restore mailbox access. To download Stellar Repair, you just follow the link on the description below, and then you can come on the main page of Stellar Repair, and then you click over free download and easily install it. To use Stellar Repair, it's quite simple. You just have to select the Outlook data, and once you have defined which Outlook data you want to use, then you will have restored your Outlook files. And then after you have recovered or repaired your PST file, it's left only to save it. You can choose any of the formats over here, PST or this other format. You click over next, define where you want to save it, and basically that's all that you have to do in order to repair a corrupted PST. I have a more long and detailed video on my YouTube channel. Please check on the description below the link and you can see a more detailed step-by-step how to use Stellar Repair for Outlook, but basically it's quite simple to repair your Outlook PST file by just using Stellar Repair. Thanks to Microsoft, we will have this issue, but thanks to Stellar Repair, we'll be able to fix this issue. That's all that I want to share with you guys today. I hope you like this video and please consider subscribing to our channel. All the best. Thank you.